Namaste, good evening. Let us begin. Sit comfortably. Keep your back, neck in a straight line. Let us take the next 30 minutes to connect to Bhagavan Krishna in the form of Damodara. Let us seek his blessings. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us begin with the opening prayer. Repeat after me. Vasudevasutam Devam कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दम् कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् देवकी परमानन्दम् कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Let us revise the first 4 shlokas of Damodara Ashtakam. We'll chant together. Slowly we will chant. नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानम् यशोदाभियोलुखलाद्धवमानम् परामृष्टमत्यन्ततो धृत्यगोप्या रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुग्मं मृजन्तम् कराम्भोजयुग्मेन सातङ्कनेत्रम् मुहुश्वासकम्पत्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठ स्थितग्रैव दामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तमाख्यापयन्तम् तदीयेषितान्येषु भक्तैर्जितत्वम् पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्तिवन्दे वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरेषादपीह इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपालबालम् सदा मे मनस्याभिरास्तां किमन्यै. So we have done the first 4 shlokas. Today we will do 5 and 6 and tomorrow 7 and 8 and we will wrap up. So shloka 5, pronunciation first. Idam, idam te, mukha, mukhamboja, mukhamboja. Kha mahaprana, bha mahaprana, mukhamboja, matyanta, matyanta, नीलैर् नीलैर् नी दीर्घ नीलैर् मुखाम्भोज मत्यन्त नीलैर् इदं ते मुखाम्भोज मत्यन्त नीलैर् वृतं वृतं कुन्तलैः kuntalaihi. There is a visarga here followed by snigdha. Snigdha. Dha Mahaprana, snigdha. So because it is sa, when we join, we will have to say kuntalai snigdha. Stress on that sa and then extend it. Kuntalai snigdha. Raktaishcha. There is a half ka. So raktaishcha. Snigdha raktaishcha. Gopya. Gopya. Vritam कुन्तलैस्निग्ध रक्तैश्च गोप्या. Muhush. Muhush, there is a half sh. Muhush chumbitam. Muhush chumbitam. Bimbara. Bimbarakta. Bimbarakta dharam. Bimba dharam. Dha Mahaprana. Dharam me. मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्ब रक्तधरं मे. मनस्या मनस्या विरास्तां विरास्तां मनस्या विरास्तां अलं अलं लक्ष लक्ष लाभैः लाभैः. क्ष, this is bha, Mahaprana bha, lakshalabhaihi. Manasya virastam alam lakshalabhaihi. So here Satyavrata Muni again explains the beautiful face of Krishna. So here he describes the various attributes of his face. So Mukhamboja, his face is like that of a lotus, lotus-like face, which is Neelair, blue, Matyanta Neelair, Neela, blue color. So his face is like lotus-like, it is blue colored, and his face is encircled by his curly locks. Kuntalai, this Kundal, right? His hair locks, they are snigdha, they are very glossy. Raktaishcha, it also has like a reddish hue, shades of red, and it is glossy in nature. And his lips, they are red, bimba raktataram. His lips are red as that of a bimba fruit. And Muhush chumbitam gopya. So here gopya refers to his mother Yashoda Mata. Muhush chumbitam, because of her abundant love, she keeps kissing him over and over again. His face is all, red. Chumbitam, kisses all over his cheeks. So because of which there is a reddish nature also. That is also this Bimba Raktadaram. So this image of the Damodar, that naughty toddler face of Krishna, the wish of Satyavrata Muni here is that let that face be always manifest in my heart, in my mind. Manasya virastam, always let that image manifest in my mind. And if that wish is fulfilled, alam laksha labhaihi, lacks of boons, whatever lacks of boons that I might get, what use is that as compared to having that vision of Krishna always in my heart. So that is the wish that Satyavrata Muni brings forth in this shloka. Let us chant. Repeat after me. Idam te mukhamboja matyantanilair. Idam te mukhamboja matyantanilair. Vritam kuntalai snigdha raktaischa gopya. वृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या इदं ते मुखाम्बोजमत्यन्तनीलैर् इदं ते मुखाम्बोजमत्यन्तनीलैर्भृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या वृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै कंप्लीट श्लोका इदं ते मुकाम्भोजमत्यन्तनीलैर्भृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या इदं ते मुखाम्भोजमत्यन्तनीलैर्भृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै Now we'll chant together the complete shloka. इदं ते मुखाम्बोजमत्यन्तनीलैर्भृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै So once we understand the meaning, it feels even more blissful to chant. Um, the, the exact bhava comes out, isn't it? Shloka number 6. Namo Namo Deva Namo Deva Damodara Damodarananta. So it includes two names of Bhagavan, Damodara and Ananta. So combining that, it becomes Damodarananta. Damodarananta Vishnu. Vishnu. Namo Deva Damodarananta Vishnu. Prasida. Prasida Prabho. Prabho. Bha Mahaprana. Prasida Prabho. Dukha. This is Dukha. Kha Mahaprana. Dukha Jalabdhi. Jalabdhi. Ja Dirga La Dirga. Jalabdhi. Di Dha Mahaprana. Dukha Jalabdhi Magnam. Magnam. Dukha Jalabdhi Magnam. Prasida Prabho. Dukha Jalabdhi Magnam. Kripa. Kripa. Drishti. Drishti. This is half sh, murdanya sh. Kripa drishti. Vrisht. Vrishtyat. Vrishtyati deenam. Vrishtyati deenam. So here half murdanya sh. Vrishtyati. Half t as well. Tya. Vrishtyati deenam. Di dirga. So vrishtyati deenam. Batanu. बतानु. कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्याति दीनं बतानु. Fourth line. गृहाणेश. गृहाणेश. गृहाणेश मां. गृहाणेश मां. Agnya, this is nya. Agnya medya. Half the Agnya medya. Medyakshi. Yakshi. Agnya medyakshi drishyah. Agnya medya medyakshi drishyah. गृहाणेश माम् अग्न्य मेद्यक्षि दृश्यः. गृहाणेश माम् अग्न्य मेद्यक्षि दृश्यः. So here he is extending his wishes. What sort of blessings he is asking for through this stotram. So here Namo Deva, he is Namo, his salutations to you, to whom? To Lord Deva, who is also called as Damodara. He is also Ananta, he is Vishnu, he is Prabhu. So these are his different names also mentioned in Vishnu Sahasranama as well. So Ananta, Ananta is like Na Anta, there is no end, endless, limitless, infinite. So that is the meaning of the word Ananta. Vishnu, Vishnu means all pervading. Vishnu. Prabhu, Prabhu is like omnipotent. He's there in every being, omnipotent, omnipresent. To that God, I am bowing down, I am offering my salutations. Please be gracious, Prasida. Please be gracious to me. Why? Because I am drowned in an ocean of sorrow. Dukkha jalabdi magnam. So, this samsara, the ocean of samsara, right? This repeated cycle of births and deaths, various attachments and sorrows that we face. This is what is highlighted here, that we are drowned in this ocean of sorrow. We are also helplessly ignorant, agnyam, ajnanam, right? Helplessly ignorant. So we are just helplessly following our vasanas, our desires, our conditionings, impressions that we have accumulated over many, many lifetimes. So we are just helplessly ignorant towards this, and we are drowning in that ocean of sorrow over and over again. Kripa Drishti. Kripa, be merciful and offer your glances towards me. Drishti, towards me. Please bless me with those merciful glances. And Adyakshi Drishyaha. So here, appear before me in your divine form. I want to see you. That is the final prayer that Satyavrata Muni is asking here. So, show me your mercy, be gracious towards me, because I am helpless, I am ignorant, I am drowning in this ocean of sorrow over and over again. So, bless me with your glances, your grace, and also appear before me in your divine form. So, this is the request that Satyavrata Muni makes forward in this. Let us chant. Namo Devadamodarananta Vishno. Namo Devadamodarananta Vishno. Prasida Prabho Dukha Jalabdimagnam. Prasida Prabho Dukha Jalabdimagnam. नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णो. नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः. Let's repeat the first line. नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः. The full shloka all together. नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः. Let's chant one more time. नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः. So the first line is quite easy. Second line is also okay. This third line is where the word because there is a lot of joint letters. Through practice, you will be able to chant in one easy flow. Kripa drishti vrishtyati deenam vatanu. So we'll practice 5 and 6 together. इदं ते मुखाम्भोजमत्यन्तनीलैर्भृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्याविरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै. नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञमेद्यक्षिदृश्यः. Let's chant one more time, 5 and 6 together. इदं ते मुखाम्भोजमत्यन्तनीलैर्भृतं वृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितं बिम्बरक्तधरं मे मनस्याविरास्तामलं लक्षलाभै। नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजालाब्धिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं बतानु गृहाणेश मामज्ञं मेद्यक्षिदृश्यः. Gently close your eyes. Feel the vibrations of the chanting. Recollect the meaning of the two verses we learned today. Visualize the image of Damodara in front of your eyes. Bring your hands together. Let us conclude with the closing prayer. Repeat after me. करारविन्देन पदारविन्दम् करारविन्देन पदारविन्दम् मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तम् मुखारविन्दे विनिवेशयन्तम् वटस्य पत्रस्य पुटेशयानम् वटस्य पत्रस्य पुटेशयानम् बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि बालं मुकुन्दं मनसा स्मरामि. Just take the blessings of Bhagwan Krishna. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining today. We have 2 more shlokas left and we'll complete them tomorrow, and we will do a complete practice of all the 8 shlokas together tomorrow. Have a beautiful
Thank you,
evening.
Anuradha.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.